friends, welcome to our spring break vlog 1, day 1. So glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. So it is early, 7:30, and it's Monday morning. We got here yesterday, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of the house and everything. Danny and I just made some coffee, and the kids are all still asleep. We're going to go for a walk and get our bodies moving. Our bodies don't like sleeping in beds that don't belong to us. We're struggling this morning, so we're going to go on a walk. Figured I'd take you with us. Let's go. How you doing over there?
Good. Just putting on some socks. And shoes.
You all right?
Yeah.
So we didn't come prepared with workout clothes or shoes. So he's going to be going for a walk in his Vans, and I'm going to be going for a walk in my Converse. So that's okay.
Just my flip-flops, I guess.
It is much better than just your flip-flops. And
Even though I have been notorious for walking miles.
You have, especially at Disney. Yeah. And I would say that my Converse are probably better than my slide-on Hey Dudes. Yeah. But look at this beautiful morning light. Look at these beautiful floors.
Yeah. It's a great house.
It's such a great house. We love it.
Surprisingly, the layout makes it feel very big. This is only a 1550 square foot.
It's like our house in Vegas.
Yeah. It's got a really nice layout. It feels spacious.
Yeah. I think if the ceilings were just a little higher, it would feel bigger.
Yes.
But it's beautiful. All right, let's get outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's send a text to the kids since they're all asleep, just in case anybody wakes up. We're headed out to the beach to enjoy our coffee out there. Because that's the whole reason we're here. Oh, I can't wait. It's chilly. It's like, what'd you say?
51.
51, that's right. It's chilly. Look how cute. Take a toy, go have fun, bring it back when you're done. You know what? We saw that toy out there yesterday.
Yeah.
We got to get it. Look at this, you guys. Oh, and the walk is just right there. That took us what? 6 minutes?
Oh, yeah.
7 minutes? 6 or 7? It's too early. It's too early for that. Not a cloud in the sky, except for that one way out there. Oh, look at this bird. Is it a seagull? That's a big seagull. He's gonna come see if we have food. Yeah, gorgeous. Just gorgeous. It's just absolutely gorgeous out here this morning. Literally just nothing. Hardly any people. It's just so beautiful. I wish I could do this every day.
Thank you so much. I'll be right back.
Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of vacation vlog. My hair is crazy. I just got back from a walk on the beach, and I am now doing a little bit of exercising. We're about to head out for the day. We're doing Natural History Museum, the aquarium, French Quarter, eating, just seeing our way through Charleston. So it's going to be fun. I'm glad you're here. Hello, my friends. If you ever wondered what it was like traveling with 5 children,
Stop that.
This is it. Here it is.
Nobody said stop but you.
And not only just 5 children, but 5 neurodivergent children.
Hey!
We prefer mentally colorful.
What is it? Spirited?
Yeah, exactly.
We got some spirited children. All right, so here we are. We are. Yeah, I know.
By a
You're
spirited
not
woman
wrong.
And
You're
a
not
very
wrong.
spirited father.
So we're headed out. We are going into Charleston today, which is about 45 minutes away from where the house here in Isle of Palms is. We are going to go, our goal for today, and we'll see how many of these things we get through, is to do the Natural History Museum, the aquarium, and the French Quarter. So that's our plan today. That's what we're going to be doing. I brought my computer so I could work along the drive. And yeah, Michaela and the boys got up this morning. Most of the boys got up this morning. Sorry, Aiden.
At like 6 or 7.
To go watch the sunrise. So did you get video, Michaela?
I did.
Okay, so I'll put that in this vlog. And then Danny and I were gonna go meet them out there, but we missed the sunrise. We woke up a little bit later, and Danny hurt his ankle yesterday. Say hello, Danny.
Hi.
So I know you didn't.
You didn't do it.
Everybody's
Hi,
like,
Danny.
they expect it now. Up there.
Gotta keep them on their toes.
So we went out there. We were on our way, but Danny was hurting, so he went back to the house. I went on a walk. Came back and did some exercising, and then now we are. I don't know what's happening back there. Now we're gonna go. So glad you guys are here. We're at the aquarium now, and we are watching all these dolphins out here in the bay. So cute. I don't know if you can see them, obviously. Let me zoom in. They're on the other side of that boat, this little boat. It's like taking pictures.
In Minecraft, dolphins help you with speed.
Oh, there they are. There they are. There they are. They're like playing. What are they doing?
Oh, there they are, right there, right there.
There's closer ones. Hello, my friends. Day a million here in paradise. It's actually, Michaela and I are down here at the beach. It's Wednesday at like 3. Been working all morning. Michaela was helping me. She's a very excellent helper. Of course, you are the GOAT. We've been taking pictures of each other for our social media and all that good stuff, doing all kinds of work. Now we're down here at the beach reading. I'm in a sweatshirt because I'm freezing, but did have my swimsuit on just a little while ago. It's still on. It's under there. It's under there. But we're reading and relaxing. Danny is at the pool with the boys. They have like those rashes from their swimsuits, from their swim trunks, and so they are actually at the pool because the salt water is not awesome for them. So they are in the pool, and that seems to be helping. And then my 2 oldest boys are back at the house napping, trying to figure out where we're going to go for dinner today. Today has just kind of been a lazy day. We're leaving in the morning, but crack of dawn. We're going to try to get out of here like 3 in the morning so that we could just do the entire drive in one day. I don't know how that's going to work, but we're going to see. We're going to try. Danny swears it's going to be fine, so we're going to do our very best and see how we do. We want to get home so we can still have a few days like at home relaxing. So that's what we're going to do. But this has been a beautiful, beautiful trip. I absolutely love it. When we get back to the house, I will do a house tour and show you around the house. But if you ever get a chance to come to Isle of Palm, South Carolina, I highly recommend it. I'm going to flip you around and show you the beach right now. It's just magical. Here's the beach right now. Literally, like, I don't know, 30 people out here, 50 people out here. Like, just absolutely delightful all the way around. And this is what it looks like all the time. When we come out here in the morning, we're sitting pretty far back because we wanted the dry sand to keep our feet a little bit warmer because it's been so cold. But, normally when we were out here the other day, we sat like way down at the shoreline, and it was really nice. But every day, Danny and I have come out here and gone on about a 2-mile walk in the morning, and it's been beautiful. There's like nobody out here. It's been incredible. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully it's not too windy, but it's windy today. It's cloudy today. There's a lot of white caps out there, but it has just been an absolutely gorgeous trip. And I'm sad that we're leaving. I don't want to go back. Not ready. But it does make me very, very, very excited for summer. Like, bring on summer, bring on all the beach trips. We are so ready for it. Okay, I am back at the house and figured that I would give you a quick little tour of everything. It's kind of a mess because we've been staying here now for 4 days. But just want to share it with you a little bit. So here is a look out the front door. We are in Isle of Palms, South Carolina. This is the front porch. Really, really beautiful. We rented a van, which I already showed you guys. The boys are downstairs in the outdoor shower, rinsing off from the beach and the pool. But we rented this van. I already showed that to you in the previous vlog to get us here, and it was wonderful. But here's what it looks like when you first walk in the door. So pretty. You've got this great little family room with this fully screened in back porch. Everything has beautiful shiplap. I love it. Really, really great. You've got the hooks on the back of the door so you can hang your things up, which is wonderful. Full washer and dryer. And then downstairs, there's a bedroom and a full bathroom. Come around the corner and you've got the dining room along with the cute little kitchen, full kitchen, so you can cook at home and everything. You've got coffee pots, which is great. I did bring my Nespresso as well. I'll take you upstairs here in a minute, but you've got a cute little guest book over here, which I got to make sure I sign before we leave. Washer and dryer. And then in here, this is, Danny and I have been staying downstairs. So this is the bathroom downstairs. This is where I've been keeping all of my things. Here's me. Hi, we just got back from the beach. I'm filming on my phone because I have my SIM card out of my camera because I've been editing and I just left it out. So we're just filming with the phone for right now, and that is fine. You guys, also, can we talk about the hat? The hat is from Target. I absolutely love it. It says extra dirty, and then it's got martini olives. So dang cute. And then right across the way here is the bedroom, like I said, that Danny and I have been staying in. So this is our little room, which has been wonderful. And the view outside is great. There are very, very close neighbors. So that is, you know, something to keep in mind, but that's okay. Not a problem. And then this door closes. So the bedroom door closes, the bathroom door closes, and then this door closes. So you can like completely close off the entire like area, which is really, really nice. But yeah, that is the entire downstairs. And then upstairs, I love, by the way, I love the floor. The floor is so pretty. It's this gorgeous like beech wood. All the walls are this really crisp, beautiful white. And then when you come upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom up here. So I think this is technically supposed to be like the master bedroom. Michaela is in there getting ready. So I'm going to see if I can pop in. Let me see where the light is. Here's upstairs bathroom. It's really nice. The boys have been picking up in this bedroom. But this is the, say hi, Danny. Hi, Danny. This is where the 3 boys have been staying. So they've got bunk beds and then this extra twin, a closet and everything right across front. Nice, really nice big sized bedroom. So perfect. They've got fans and everything. And then there's a bedroom in there, which I think Aiden's napping. And this is the room that Michaela's been staying in. I think this is technically like the primary suite, but Danny and I, like I said, took the bedroom downstairs, which is perfectly fine. So this is the room that Michaela's been staying in. Great little IKEA, you know, dresser, nightstands, and it does have an ensuite. Can I come in?
Yep.
Does have an ensuite. These are all of the shells Michaela's been collecting. Look at this conch shell that she found. This is like dreamy to die for.
I'm so happy.
I am so jelly. She found this cool piece.
Daddy actually felt that.
Oh, well, maybe I can have it then.
No.
Oh, darn. She's in here getting herself ready. Like I said, we just got back from the beach. She's getting ready for dinner, but she's got a huge bathroom. This is like the nicest bathroom in the whole place. So like I said, I think this is technically the primary room, but Danny and I took the one downstairs. So that worked out.
It's wonderful.
It is wonderful, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. Okay, your hair looks pretty.
Thank you.
All right, so that is the whole of the house. Great, perfect size for us. And it was perfect. And it is a family home. They have like a nice little like picture that like talks about their you know, their family and how they've used it. There is a house right there. So just, you know, very, very close to the neighbors, but that is totally okay. And the walk to the beach is about, I don't know, what would you say, babe? 7 minutes?
Yeah, maybe 6.
So, 6 or 7? Wow. Okay. I see how you are. So anyway, I'm going to get myself ready now for dinner, and we are going to go get some good old fashioned South Carolina barbecue, I think. So we'll bring you along for that. Just going to freshen up my hair, change my clothes, and get ready to go to dinner. So glad you're here.